Today I'm going to show you how I create GIFs using the latest edition of Procreate. So here I have a basic drawing, it just says love ya, and what I'm going to do is lower the opacity so I can draw over it. So this GIF is 2 frames, super duper simple, and you can see here the idea behind it. So I'm basically tracing my first drawing but not doing it exactly on the lines. I want to make it uneven. I want it to wobble when I turn it into a GIF. So you can see that I'm outlining it but doing it very badly. This is the great bit though, because you don't have to go around the lines. So once I've done the outline, I'm just going to fill it in. I decided to fill it in with opposing colours, so I'm just using the colour select tool to select the red shade, I believe, and then I'm going to fill it in. The most important thing with making GIFs is layers, so I'm keeping 2 layers at the bottom and locking them so I have backups just in case I go wrong, and then the top 2 layers are the 2 that are going to get animated. So this top one, I'm duplicating it so I can draw on the one underneath without affecting the one above, and then I'm doing these little love hearts so it's behind the black lines. I just skipped through this, but you kind of get the idea. I've basically just drawn a opposite version of the other one, so then I'm just going to merge those 2 layers together, and now I have 4 layers. I'm going to get rid of the bottom ones or just hide them. You'll see that I will turn off the ticks so you can't see them, and then it's only those 2. And then up in the left hand corner I clicked the cog tool and went into animated GIF, and then here you can change the frames per second, so basically how fast it moves. You can make sure the background is transparent if you want it to be, and then I always save it as a web ready version. So this is the final GIF. I absolutely love it. I'm actually going to upload it onto Giphy. I have a profile on there now, so I will leave that linked in the description, and you hopefully will be able to find them on Instagram soon.